for a shower. It's the perfect way to wake up. It feels like showering in a rainbow. I feel so fresh. I bet I can make a bath bomb myself. Let's add our own ingredients. Citric acid, salt, baking soda, and cornstarch. I think we're good. I'll put them in the bowl. Now to color the mixture. My poppet will help. And it's fun. I'll fill the poppet with the matching colors. And pack it down tight. I'll put another poppet on top. Now, I wait a while.
Wait for 15 minutes.
Time's up! Whoa! I did it! I made a bath bomb! It even smells good! I need to try it out! Look at all the bubbles! It's working! I can jump right in! This is awesome! Love it! Hey guys! Welcome to the pool party!
Hey there!
Let's get lit! I love this song!
Not again. What's that?
Ouch!
Look!
Rainbow? Wow! I look so good. Oh.
We look so similar now! Let's take a selfie! Are we besties? Clean the toilet. Piece of cake. Huh? Oh, that's not a cake! That's not a cake at all! Ugh. I don't want to clean it! It's so dirty! What's wrong with the lights? Oof, I can't see, but I can still smell it. You can do it. What? Huh, I guess someone left me a motivational message. Okay, let's do it. Oh, whoa, what's there? Whoa, what is this? That's gross! Let's put it here somewhere. I wish I could unsmell this. I won't give up so easily. Let's clean it. This is gonna take a lot of detergents. Only the mounting foam can save me from the smell. A little whipped cream just in case. Hey, now it's starting to look like a cake. And let's add some more cute bright colors to it. Yeah, much better. Oh, thank you. Wait, what? What had just... Okay. These, I have no idea whose hands helped me a lot. Green and yellow look great together. And finally, done. Oh, it's so clean. And done.
See ya, Scotty.
Oh, it smells like, a toilet! Fine, I'll set my fate and try this. I'll eat this one first. Let's dip it into the toilet. Sauce. Hope it's strawberry flavored. Time to test it. Impressive. This better be chocolate or else I may have to puke. So good. I can't resist it.
Oh well, good thing she doesn't know the secret ingredient.
What's your choice?
I'll go for yes again. Wow! Let's see what I have missed. Ew! That stinks. I'll take this one, thank you. Don't need the rest. Come to mama. After eating all that sugar, I'll better brush my teeth. You know how they say less is more. I say no to that. More is more. Hey, this tastes way more delicious. And I know why. They should make bubblegum flavored toothpaste though. Just saying. Let's see what I can do with it. You can't believe your eyes once you see what I'll make. Here. Wow. It was easy. I'm a superhero after all. It was way easier to manage than my lasso of truth anyway. Let's see how big of a bubble I can make. excited! I believe I can fly! Is that the Statue of Liberty? Bonjour, madame! Ooh, you have it too!
Huh? Again open? Harley! Ah, sweet relief. Feels like my butt is at the North Pole. So cold, but I still wanna. Huh? Where did this come from? You there! Can you give me more poppets?
Of course!
Thank you,
this
toilet
one!
man. Give me 5. Fist bump! Woo! Thank you, toilet man. Whee! Yeah! I'll make the best toilet ever. Yeah! Woo! Let's go! I will place all the bubbles I cut on the toilet seat like this. Quick quality check. Yep, it's working. I'll make a man worthy of my royal feet. Placing some drinks. And the finishing touch. Job well done. Let's go. Finally. Oh, what is one on the ground? Let's make the puppet sound. No rest for the wicked, am I right? Ooh, kids, Papa didn't forget you. Ooh, these colors match my nails. So satisfying. Oh man, smells like something else popped in here. Don't forget to flush. And nicely and carefully and clean. Huh? What's that? That's where the poppet went. Ew, anyway. Pool, okay. Come on, open! This is not happening. I'm claustrophobic. No! I'm locked here forever? No! There's even no Wi-Fi here. No! Ew! Let's get rid of this. It smells so bad anyway. That's so gross. I hate it. Ugh, so wet. I need slippers.
What about slip poppers?
Such a good idea. Let's go. Woo! Let's make slip poppers. Oh, my foot is too big for this. But I have two. Now I need zip ties. Wow, what kind of sorcery is this? You are coordinated. You get a star from me. I'll be using them all. After I open some holes in the corner bubbles of the puppets, I'll put the zip ties through them. Now I lock them. Ooh, I can already tell they're gonna be super chic. Now I need to cut the excess lengths of the zip ties. Oh yeah, time to make the final touch. I've braided some ribbons and they go in here. My flip pop flops are ready. Let's try them on. Ooh, they're so comfy. Work it, Joker, work it. They're so cool. Gotta show it to all my haters out there. I should send these to Vogue and they should make it their cover photo. Let's take some more from this angle as well. And done! Woo! Ooh! Looks like I'm at the beach. I should post these on my Instagram. Hashtag no filter. Can you believe this? It's as if Halloween came early in here.
Hi, Tucker!
What? No.
Are you scared of being stuck in the bathroom?
Huh? Me? No, I'm not scared. Get out of my head. Take this, you cockroach. Harley, leave me alone.
I'm the mirror of your worst fears.
What? I'm the Joker. I'm not afraid of anything.
One duck, two duck. No luck, guess what? You're stuck and I will chill here. Watch and enjoy my ice cream.
Ice cream? Such a good idea. Like a ninja. Ooh. I already cut some cardboard pieces like this to help me with making a cornet shape. It goes to the corner of the mirror. Now we're gonna use spray foam. Don't hesitate to spray a lot. This is so satisfying. Whew. When it dries, it's time to paint it. Of course I'm gonna paint it green. It'll complement the rest of the room. Woo! The broccoli-flavored one is complete! And I'll place the blue cheese-flavored one here. Yay! I look delicious, am I right? Woo! Time for giant sprinkles! You thought the mirror was complete, right? Well, not yet! Woo! Gotta stick these on the foam ice cream! This is the cherry on top, pun intended! Wow! Looks so yummy! Uh-oh! I'm so hungry!
Here you go, man.
But I don't have chopsticks!
Grab these.
But I don't have a bowl! Ooh, I don't need it! Give me
Bam,
£5!
bam.
Ooh, thank you, Sink Man! Why do I need a bowl if I have a sink? And boiling hot water just right here! I can smell it already! And, ooh, done! Come to Papa! Let's mix the noodles to spread the sauce evenly! Ooh la la! That's what I call a noodle pool! Taste this! You wanna taste some? Go ahead then! I want it all! I want it now! Oh! It's cleaning time! Erase that! Delete this! Up, 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 up! There! Bye! You go too! Oh, pool noodles! That's exactly what I need! I want to make my own plans from these. Rolling with my homies. Let's peel this bad boy off. Gotta do it slowly and carefully, because I don't want to ruin anything. Cut more pieces like this. Then it's time to move to phase 2. Nope, not gonna brush my teeth. They're already clean. I'm gonna paint the pool noodles with it to dark green. Banana ooh-na-na. Time to cut the plastic fork. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need more. I'll stick the pieces in there randomly. They'll be the needles of my cacti. Looks so cool. What's that?
Hey, what are you doing here?
Huggy, you've got something I want.
Go away, you monster!
Oh, okay. Here's a candy.
Wow, looks so yummy.
Now don't move. It's just a little haircut. Bangs will look good on you. Don't worry.
I feel so pretty now.
Absolutely gorgeous indeed. Now these go here. Didn't forget about you. Wow, so cool! I have my garden. Ha! Oh yeah! Woo! Yeah! Ha!
Joker, can you water us?
You're talking? Okay, baby. Oh, stay sharp. Billie Jean is not my lover. Let's grab this bottle and pour it. I love gardening. Who wants to drink some Sprite? Ooh, hey, I brought some Sprite.
So
Ooh,
sweet!
yeah, you're welcome.
No, it's too sweet! Please stop! Stop it!
What?
Can't feed us with
What
it!
are you saying? I'm just trying to be nice.
We're cactuses! We'll even deserve it, dude! What's wrong with you?
I brought a drink to you and you're screaming at
Yes,
me.
you are watering us with the sugar!
Oh yeah? Take this!
Dude!
That's what you get for screaming at me! And that mirror hardly showing up and threatening me. Like, how dare you? It's my room! Oh, and Huggy is the worst roommate ever! Oh. I'm going crazy. I've been in this room alone too long. I need to get out of here. Oh, why won't this door open? Open sesame!
Hey, take this.
This is too small. Oh, yeah, that's more like it. The Joker size. Haha. Get ready for my punch, stupid door. Yeah. What? Took these boxing lessons for nothing.
Try this.
Ooh, magic. I hope this is Harry's. Leviosa, not Leviosa. Ooh. Come on, work, please. Yes. What? Even magic didn't work here? This one must be cursed or something. Trash. Do you have anything else?
Yeah, something really powerful.
Ooh, a bomb! Let's blow it up! Ooh, I love destruction. This is for you, Roadrunner. Ooh, I'm on fire, baby! It's about to blow! That was loud. Did it work? Huh? It's still closed? And here I thought the whole house blew up. How was that?
What was the sound?
Harley! How did you get in here? I was trying to escape for a week!
Oh, that's not good. I need a toilet. Don't worry, I'm not using the trash can. This is perfect. A garden chair. I need to be quick. I don't want any accidents. I'll start by cutting a hole in the seat. It needs to be big enough for, you know, that looks about right. Now I'll put this back in the hole and then clip it into place. It needs to be secure. And finally, I need a toilet seat. It looks pretty good. And just in time. That looks yummy. I want it all. Nice. Delicious. Oh, that's nice too. Let's dump this dump. See you later.
Honey jelly soda, my favorite. I can't wait to try it. It's so tasty. Wanna try some, Harley?
Oh, yuck! You need to brush your teeth, right?
No, don't want to. It's not going to happen. Quit it. Now we're talking. Oh, cutie penguin.
Put the toothpaste in the gum shield.
Let's try. The penguin does all the work. Finally, I can relax. It tickles and it's hands-free. I think that's it. Now I have a Hollywood smile. Wow, my teeth are so clean.
This is great.
Can I brush my teeth again?
Look, that's my special friend.
He's so fluffy.
Watch this. If I feed him, something special happens. Bon appetit. Don't eat with your mouth open. Where is your manners?
And he sings. Go, party, go. Uh-oh.
Oh no, that's not a dance.
What the? Ew, he pooped on me.
Naughty bird. You need to go to the toilet. That's better.
It's so cute.
I know, right?
It was so good.
Hey, let me in. I want to pee.
I can't hear you.
I'm gonna tell Mom.
Okay. Just a second.
Spider!
He's so scared.
No, my phone! This is the worst day ever. Oh, it smells awful. Oh, I'm going to puke. I don't need it that bad.
Hold on. This gives me an idea. Yeah, this will work. I'll just put this plastic wrap over the toilet seat. I think I'm done here. Although, this slime might be useful. I can't wait to see her face. Looks like someone needs a diaper. It looks so real. That should do it. I'm a genius. All yours.
At last. He's so annoying. That's disgusting.
I got her.
So that's